জয় বিশ্বেশ্বরী জয় বিশালাক্ষী জয়।
Thank Lord, everyone is so occupied with Aunt Sanjukta's matter. Even Nayan too. Let me make a swift exit with this chance. Uncle? Uncle? Aren't these Dripto's family problems? We really don't know where Aunt Sanjukta went. And we don't want to interfere in this as we are outsiders. So I was saying, Jayanta, let's go.
No. None of you is going to leave the house.
Why are you dragging them into this, Nayan? Really? What will they know regarding Sanjukta? Let them go.
No, grandmother. Grandmother, don't let them leave so easily. See, they might not know anything about mother, but they definitely know something which all of you need to know. Grandmother, I didn't call them for no reason. I have got a huge reason behind it.
What's that reason, Nayan?
Policeman, the container I sent to you to get tested was actually... It was actually Miss Jasmine's.
What? That powder container was Jasmine's?
Yes, Tarun uncle. There are evidence and witnesses to prove that it was Jasmine's. By the way, the lab where it was getting tested, someone tried to trespass there last night, wearing a black hoodie.
Who are you? Okay. That means the man outside the lab wearing a black hoodie was none other than Jayant. That's why he was so nervous.
I also got in trouble for Jasmine.
What are you saying?
Jeet, who went there? And what was the purpose?
If I'm not wrong, someone tried to remove the report. I mean, the whole thing is very clear now. There is definitely something in that powder container. Nayan, please at least tell us now, why did you send the powder to get tested? Please.
It was Miss Jasmine's container. The person who wanted to save Miss Jasmine went to remove the report.
Nayan, that powder container belonged to Jasmine. Why didn't you say this to me earlier? You just told me that the container shouldn't get lost. That was very important to me. So I appointed strong police protection outside of that laboratory, but you didn't tell me the real reason. What was there in the container? Tell me.
Mr. Tarun, there must be something. Or else why would someone try to steal it?
Exactly. I also had this question in my mind while coming here. Besides, who was that man in that black hoodie? No. I'm sure something is very fishy here.
Thankfully, I'm not wearing that hoodie now. There's only one person who has seen me in that hoodie.
I saw Jayant in that black hoodie. He came home at midnight. And according to Jeet, that man went to steal at night.
Will Uncle Vicky say anything? There is no escape today, Jasmine. Everything is going against us. Today, both of the siblings will get in trouble.
Nayan, it seems like a suspense thriller. Please don't stay silent and tell us what was inside Jasmine's powder container.
I don't know. Everyone would learn about it when the test results are out.
I'll flip the game before anyone learns anything. Uncle? What can be inside the powder container? You only tell me. I use that daily. Trust me, there's nasty conspiracy being played against me. Please trust me, Uncle. And you have known me for so long, don't you?
I get this feeling that it's not at all safe for me to be in this house. Someone is not able to tolerate me. That is why they are imposing false allegations against me. I wanted to leave this house. After Durba left, there's no point for me staying in this house anymore, right?
Calm down, Jasmine. Calm down. Till now, nothing has happened to get all excited. Don't act like this. There must be some misunderstanding.
Miss Jasmine, please sit down. Look, it's true that there is a conspiracy. People are framed by many conspiracies like this, Miss Jasmine. This is exactly the way I was framed. Do you remember, Miss Jasmine? I was accused of trying to kill you by putting poison on the flowers. Thankfully, the policeman had the experience to cross-question me about how the poison was in nature and what was the color of the poison. And I answered it wrong. And the policeman realized instantly that Nayan could never do such a thing.
What are you trying to imply by saying all this to me, Nayan? Tell me.
I am not trying to imply anything for now, Miss Jasmine. It's important to know what's in that powder, to understand what conspiracy is and what the truth is. Don't you think it's important, Miss Jasmine? That's the reason I sent it to get tested. Look, policeman, look how restless Miss Jasmine is becoming. I'm asking her to sit down, but she isn't. All right, do one thing, policeman. You better call the lab for the reports. Ask them when the test reports will come out. Then it will be easier for us to get the solution, right?
Yes, I will do that.
Sir, you have a delivery from the Patho lab.
All right, you may leave now.
Okay, sir.
Please hurry up. Policeman, what is written in there? Please tell us. What does it say? Tell us. Oh, mother. You always show me any upcoming dangers to Dripto. Now show everyone who wants to harm him. Please, mother.
He's still not saying anything. Then Dad might have learned something at the last moment, and I'm sure that he could arrange men to change the report as we planned.
What is written in that report?
Tell me, policeman. Tell me, am I wrong?
No, Nayan. Your assumption is not wrong. Poison was found in that powder container.
Poison? What is all this, Jasmine? You keep poison with you? Why?
And Pratima? Poisons are for killing pests and insects. And in the movies, they kill humans too. That's correct.
This poison is for killing humans.
No, this can't be right. You tell me, how come there's poison in my makeup? Where will it come from? I would have been affected first, right?
But you did not, right?
That's right. That's the reason I'm saying this. Rangana, Aunt Pratima, please believe me. It's someone else's trap, not me. Please trust me. I'm scared to kill even a cockroach. How can I think about killing a human? Oh no, please, this cannot happen. Can't you see? I'm shaking even to hear this. I can't do this. Please listen to me, please. What harm did I do to any of you that everyone is trying to frame me like this? Grandmother, you tell me, am I that kind of a girl? I'm not, right? I cannot wish to harm you. I would never do it.
Then how did the poison get into your powder container, Jasmine? The container is yours.
I do not have the slightest bit of knowledge about it. Please believe me.
I'm sorry, Jasmine. I do not believe you. Nayan did not send the container to get tested for no reason, right? Nayan might know something. So only she can say more about it.
See, I can understand very well that someone is trying to frame me. That's it. Uncle, there must be some mistake. Are you also relying on Nayan?
I believe in the evidence, Jasmine. And for the time being, the evidence is against you.
Dipto, at least you don't misunderstand me. I don't care if anyone else does that, believe me. I just don't care. But please, you don't get me wrong. Believe me, I don't know anything about poison, nothing at all. Dripto, why are you silent? Do you think that I have kept the poison?
Will Tripto's heart melt because of Jasmine's drama? Poor Jasmine. All her high hopes will burn to ashes because of Nayan.
Dripto, don't you know me more than others? Please don't push me away based on Nayan's words. Where will I go if you push me away? Dripto, though I couldn't marry you, have I not always loved you with all my heart? Dripto, please believe me for once. I didn't do this. If you also misunderstand me, then
How does it matter what my husband thinks? How does it matter, Miss Jasmine? He is no one to you. You're not even married to him, Miss Jasmine.
Wonderful, Nayan. Wonderful. Always protect your rights like this. Never let anyone claim your rights. Never make that mistake.
You are no one to him. He is my husband, mine. Do not try to come anywhere near my husband, Miss Jasmine.
Nayan, I just only
Want to harm him. I know you want to harm him. I do not trust you. Even if you swear 1,000 times, Miss Jasmine. I can cross all limits. You wanted to kill the person you claim that you love, and you touched his feet, Miss Jasmine. Know one thing, Miss Jasmine. As long as I am alive, I won't let any harm come to my husband. Lordess Vishalakshi didn't tie our knots for no reason, Miss Jasmine. You have to kill me first before trying to harm him. Any threat to him must face me first. And only he knows how dedicated I am to the school. I don't care how small or bad I have to be to protect that man, Miss Jasmine. I don't care about anyone. No one at all.